I had a problem with before. Hold on, don't touch me, man. Listen, don't touch me, man. No, don't listen. Get up, man. Don't touch me. Hold on.
Woo! Woo! MMA. Oh! One to the dome. One to the domery. That's probably his daughter. Choke him out. He asked for it. Oh! Hey! We've been seeing coppers get, you know what I'm saying, take L's. Time to yank through. Cops, y'all up one. Got one in a chokehold. Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? It's your boy Food Sugar. We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. How my people doing today? How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. I hope your meepers are straight. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos that you guys are sending me, which I know you are because we tapped into the comment section. We going type crazy with the big laughing emojis all in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Like, we going type crazy. It's like, y'all thought the video, y'all think the videos are funny, the funny ones, and y'all get in the comment section and go crazy, laughing emojis, and then y'all say some shit in the comment section that has me rolling, and only thing I can do is put like 10 laughing emojis. I'm like, and I'm just sitting there dying, laughing on the other side of that phone. You feel me? I'm like, this is why I love doing what I'm doing. The laughery is unmatched. It's just unmatched. You feel me? Like, and I know you guys know that. Our viberies are real. Our viberies are real. Our humory is realer. You feel me? Shout out to all the couples watching. Shout out to all singles watching. Shout out to everybody that taps in, stops through, comes back, has to watch a couple more videos before they really tap in with us. Shout out to you guys too. Shout out to everybody that's supporting all three channels. Got a vlog channel, Foosh Nigga Transformation. Make sure you tap into that channel. I dropped my first vlog on there. It's doing very great, so I'm happy. I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow morning to get another video up for you guys. It's just, that's the channel where it's my everyday life, going to the gym, showing you my cars, my clothes, my shoes, just my everyday life outside of YouTube, but it's still on YouTube. And then we got the two reaction channels where we really go type crazy. So I'm trying to go crazy with YouTube and just do my thing and just, you know, quit my jobbery. And I'm just trying to hang with you guys all day. That's it. Even when y'all working the night shift and 16 hours and 12-hour shifts, I'm going to hang with y'all still, okay? So I'm going to follow you wherever you go. Just know that, okay? We're about to get to a video I got sent, and it's police arrest husband at a high school game after coach orders his family to move. Husband goes off. At a high school game, though? In front of kids? Let's check our meepers, okay? 1 through 10, 1 through 10, tap in the comment section as soon as you come in. Let me know how you are mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and spiritually. Shout out to everybody that's rocking with the movement of the meeps. Yes, it's real. Yes, we checking our people every video. We don't skip a beat, okay? We don't fast forward. We don't do shit. We check before we start a video. We check on our meepers to make sure our mind's right, because a lot of videos we do, we see a lot of people like lost their mind and just having mental breakdowns and just losing it over everyday life, and it's hard out here. So that's why we come to this channel. We laugh and we don't take shit serious. Like, too much of that going on out there, too much of the negative news type. We come here, we watch a video that's maybe like the aftermath of a body cam, and we just sit there and laugh at it. Like, we doing our own comedian show. And we doing it together, back and forth. Y'all make me laugh in the comments, I make you laugh in the video. It's a give and take, 2-row street. Never one way over here. All right, so now we checked in with the meepers. Now we know how we move on this channel. We got a giveaway going down November 21st. 4 people winning $50 cash apps. Make sure you tap in, tell a friend, unless you want to win it all on your own. It's cool with me. If you hear, you hear. You already entered. Let's go ahead and get to this video and see what's going on at the high school gamery. Somebody's going to be leaving in some shamery. You know what I'm saying?
On February 17th, 2023, chaos broke out at a high school basketball game. Police were called after a coach asked a woman and her family to move to the upper section, saying those seats were reserved for the FHSA contest. The family refused, insisting they had every right to sit there. The husband got upset, shouting that they weren't moving. That's when officers stepped in, and things quickly got loud and chaotic. Watch what happened when police tried to remove the man from the gym.
They got to go upstairs.
No, I can tell you why. I've said that last year.
It's an FHSA contest. We just reserve the right.
When they come to St. Thomas, I don't say anything.
It doesn't matter about St. Thomas.
It's their rules. You guys need to go upstairs. Upstairs. Listen, hold up. Listen, as long as y'all don't touch me, and I ain't gonna touch y'all.
No, that's not how.
I'm not gonna touch you.
No, hold on. As long as my wife been good, I'm good. I came with the
Don't work
plan.
like that.
No, y'all
You
can't
already
make
out the line. You got to go.
come out of line, sir.
You got to go.
I'm not disrespecting you, brother. Cop, sir. I respect you with all. Hold on, don't touch me.
No, we got to go.
Don't please. I'm asking you out of respect.
I am telling
Don't
you.
touch me.
So right now,
I'm saying, ask me in a professional manner.
is he
Don't touch
trespassing?
me.
Sir, if you trespass,
How am I trespassing? I paid to get in
want
here.
you upstairs, okay?
No, as long as my
Everybody be
wife
alert.
can sit down there,
No.
it's good.
She's going upstairs, sir.
No, she ain't going upstairs.
No, you can't tell us where.
I can't. I won't tell nothing about it, man. Y'all willing? You got your camera on? Okay, no problem.
No, it's an FHSA contest.
No, it's
We
not.
reserve the right to- This is an FHSA
It
contest,
is.
sir.
It
So
is.
We reserve the right to ask people to sit where they want. So everybody's going upstairs.
Why the other people are not sitting?
Everybody's going upstairs.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
All,
Everybody-
even illegal people.
Everybody. She's going upstairs, sir.
Even the illegal people.
She's going upstairs.
No, she's not.
She's going upstairs, sir.
No, she's not.
Sir.
Sir, all I'm
she is,
asking you, bro, I with respect.
so right
I'm coming
now-
to see a basketball
all right.
game.
So right now you're creating disturbance, and I'm going to ask you.
Yeah. Y'all already prepared, right?
No, you need to go.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you. I'm telling you.
My wife ain't moving. My wife ain't.
What is the big deal? You're at a game. You see all those people upstairs? Y'all follow this cursor. Y'all see all those people upstairs in the upper bleachers? Like, what are you talking about? Like, you guys, this is not your school. You guys are about to create a scene in front of these kids. Your wife saying, I come here, they ask you to move. Is whatever program they got or halftime show, the people are sitting down there. You got to go. Sir, I see this shirt that you have on in loving memory of. Are you trying to end up on a fucking shirt over a basketball game? You trying to be on that shirt next? Go upstairs, watch the game. Just because you paid to be somewhere doesn't mean you can't get trespassed because it's private property. Where are these people coming from, bro? It's just simple to do things. I don't know if our brains work differently. If somebody from the school came and said, hey, we got something going on, me and my family going upstairs, no issue. Okay, bet, we didn't know. Cool. Where does this entitlement come from where you want to, and then fight the police officers and go back and forth with police officers? Like, the wife didn't budge. She was like, well, oh, man, I don't get it.
My wife ain't moving. Listen, hold up. As long as you don't touch me. As long as you don't touch me. As long as you don't touch me.
Are you threatening me?
I'm not threatening you.
Okay, so let's go.
Yeah, you are,
I'm not
basically.
threatening you. As long as my wife can sit there, I'm cool with it.
So you're about to leave the hand.
Listen. My daughter is here. You
Don't walk up
hold up. No, don't do that. Don't do that, man. Are you the same one I had a problem with before? Hold on, don't touch me, man. Don't touch me, man. No, don't listen. Get up, man. Don't touch me.
Woo! MMA. Oh! One to the dome. One to the domery. That's probably his daughter. Choke him out. He asked for it. Oh! Yeah. Hey. We've been seeing coppers get, you know what I'm saying, take L's. Time to yank through. Cops, y'all up one. Got one in a chokehold. You guys are up. Shout out to you guys. You guys are up one. I'm fucking with it. You know what I'm saying? Look at him.
Give me a hint.
Now you got your why, sir. Why are your drawers all the way up your fucking back? Why are your drawers all the way up your back, crack? You look embarrassing, sir. This is embarrassing. Everybody see your Calvin Klein's up your backery. Squeezing the crackery. This is insane. Your daughter gotta be embarrassed. Dumb. Dumb. Roll his ass. Roll your punk ass over. a lawyer. Shut up. Everybody clapping. They want you gone. Goofball.
Hey, big dog, out of respect, I ain't say nothing the whole time.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? You was an issue last time.
No, but
You,
let's not go back to that.
let me tell you about this. We in February, bro. No, out of respect.
Yes.
You got two brothers.
Can I just?
He just said he had to
I
leave.
respect it, though.
But no, you was an issue last time.
No,
and he politely asked you to leave. And you trying to, you ain't at St. Thomas. You at Ely High School, man. No, it's too late, no.
No, dog, it's too late.
We didn't beat you up, bro. We were trying to gain compliance, man. I ain't even gonna rap with you, bro. We ain't even rapping no more.
It's over with.
I'm receiving a 49 for business on 11 and a 31 208 answers. He's still 10-6 or not.
My daughter playing the game, so.
So
I
what?
should have thought about that.
What you mean,
Exactly.
man? You let old stuff get to you?
I have nothing. I don't even remember who you are.
And you show a call for
Brother?
that person was saying that they tried to call during function.
Shame.
Have a seat.
This is very embarrassing.
Yep, have a seat.
No problem.
They responded.
This is very embarrassing. Who called
To
you?
the 22 and they met
I'll fix him in a second.
Okay, thank
Get
you.
in.
subject. I don't know if they've ever made contact with the 3 and 5 en route. Where do you need her?
We're gonna explain it to him.
I don't know if they've
Yeah, he's
ever
inside,
made
he's inside.
contact with the caller.
I'll see you. Yeah, let me get it. I think I will. All right, thank you.
Julia 32, can you advise on injuries or the age?
You have a concussion, middle-aged man.
Middle-aged man acting like a kid.
That's all for you. That's Washington Nation. Make a 56 on front circle. You'll see all you.
Yes,
11 Park Short 20.
unit, and I have 14 and 13 responding as well.
Going on.
20 bucks later.
The man was charged with assault on a law enforcement officer, firefighter, or EMT, and resisting an officer with violence. What started as a simple argument inside a high school gym ended with serious felony charges. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive
Brother
content.
got thrown up. Hey, show must go on. Basketball's gonna go on without you. You're not gonna see your daughter do anything. I don't know if she's a player or she's a cheerleader. Show's gonna go on without you. Now your wife gotta leave and come bail you out. Big dummery. Couldn't pull a race card either. I love that. I love it. I like it. I love it. I love it. So what you do instead of you can't pull a race card? Hey, brother, you go. Yeah. Yes, brother, I'm going to lock you up. You acted a whole foolery. They say every great man is a great woman. Well, what do you call this couple? Because the wife showed her to save her husband. She didn't say, baby, we can just go upstairs. It's nothing. Our daughter's here. She didn't do none of that. She's a part of the fucking problem. Yeah, well, we come here every day. This is where I sit. So what do you call it? Type down in the comment section. Let me know. Did she do her job? Did he do his job as the man, as the husband? Wifey, we got to go upstairs, man. We're not going to do this in front of our daughter. We're at a basketball game. We came here at a great time. We took showers. We got dressed up. You know what I'm saying? We got our smell good on. And you going to jail, sir? You did all of that to go to jail? Now you're going to smell good for another man? I don't know where the common sense is. I don't know where the shit then shifted. People smelling, I don't know, the water they drinking, I don't know what it is. I, for the life of me, can't figure it out because I would never act like that, so I can't put myself in them shoes. I don't want no smokery. I got to make it home to my family. I don't want to be in jail. I want to go home when I want to go home. I want to eat something on the way home that I want to eat. I want to drive my car. I want to smell good in a jail with men. I don't. I want to go home and make love to my wife. After a great night out. She smell good, I smell good. Let's smell good together. I don't know. Type in the comments. I don't know what's going down. Middle-aged man acting the fool at a basketball game where his daughter's at. Young men. That's how you showing them how to act? They see you get folded up like a burrito. Choked out like a bear. One up for the police officers. Y'all got one. Y'all deserve it. Catch y'all the next. Keep on sending me these videos. We're having fun. I love it. We're learning so much. We're learning that common sense ain't so common, which we thought was common. But it's not common.